Financial setbacks can happen to anyone, whether due to job loss, unexpected expenses, or other life events. The good news is, rebuilding your credit quickly is possible with the right strategies and a determined mindset. In this video, we'll walk you through practical steps to help you recover your credit score after a setback. From understanding your current credit situation to taking actionable steps, you'll learn how to regain financial stability and confidence. Let's start by understanding why credit matters and how it impacts your financial future. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's a key that unlocks opportunities. Lenders, landlords, and even employers may look at your credit history to assess your reliability. A strong credit score can help you secure loans with better interest rates, rent an apartment, or even land a job. After a financial setback, rebuilding your credit quickly can help you regain access to these opportunities and reduce financial stress. Let's explore how you can check where you stand right now. The first step in rebuilding your credit is to know exactly where you stand. Obtain a free copy of your credit report from the major credit bureaus. Review it carefully for any errors or outdated information that could be dragging your score down. Disputing inaccuracies can sometimes provide a quick boost to your credit. Make note of any late payments, collections, or high balances that need your attention as you move forward. If you find any mistakes on your credit report, such as incorrect late payments or accounts that don't belong to you, dispute them immediately. Contact the credit bureau and provide documentation to support your claim. The bureau is required to investigate and correct any verified errors, which can quickly improve your score. Stay organized and keep records of all correspondence during this process. To rebuild your credit efficiently, it's important to understand what affects your score. The main factors include payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit, and types of credit used. Payment history and amounts owed make up the largest portions, so focusing on these areas can yield the fastest results. Let's break down each factor and see where you can make the biggest impact. Making all your payments on time is the single most important thing you can do to rebuild your credit. Even if you can only make the minimum payment, do it consistently. Set up automatic payments or reminders to avoid missing due dates. Over time, a solid payment history will help your score recover and show lenders you're responsible. High credit card balances can significantly hurt your credit score. Aim to pay down your balances as much as possible, focusing on cards with the highest interest rates first. Keeping your credit utilization below 30% of your total available credit is ideal. If you can, make extra payments to accelerate your progress and see faster improvements in your score. While it might be tempting to open new credit accounts to increase your available credit, doing so can actually hurt your score in the short term. Each new application results in a hard inquiry, which can lower your score. Focus on managing your existing accounts responsibly before considering new credit. If you have a trusted friend or family member with good credit, ask if you can become an authorized user on one of their credit cards. Their positive payment history can be added to your credit report, giving your score a helpful boost. Make sure the account is in good standing and that the primary user continues to pay on time. Secured credit cards are designed for people rebuilding credit. You provide a cash deposit as collateral, and your activity is reported to the credit bureaus. Use the card responsibly by making small purchases and paying the balance in full each month. Over time, this can help you establish a positive credit history and improve your score. Credit builder loans are another tool to help you rebuild credit. These loans are specifically designed to help people establish or improve their credit history. The money you borrow is held in a bank account while you make payments. Once the loan is paid off, you receive the funds, and your positive payment history is reported to the credit bureaus. If you're struggling to pay off debts, reach out to your creditors. Many are willing to work with you to set up payment plans or even settle for less than the full amount owed. Negotiating can help you avoid further damage to your credit and may even result in some negative marks being removed from your report. Missing payments can set back your progress, so it's important to stay organized. Use payment reminders, calendar alerts, or automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Staying on top of your bills will help you build a consistent payment history and avoid late fees. Keep an eye on your credit by checking your score and report regularly. Many banks and credit card companies offer free credit monitoring tools. Monitoring your credit helps you spot errors, track your progress, and stay motivated as you work toward your goals. Every time you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry is added to your report, which can temporarily lower your score. Try to limit new applications while you're rebuilding your credit. Focus on managing your current accounts responsibly to see the best results. If you have accounts in collections, paying them off can help your credit recover. Some scoring models ignore paid collections, so settling these debts can remove a major obstacle to rebuilding your score. Contact the collection agency to negotiate a payment plan if needed. The length of your credit history matters. If you have older accounts in good standing, keep them open even if you don't use them often. Closing old accounts can shorten your credit history and potentially lower your score. Use these accounts occasionally to keep them active. Having a variety of credit types, such as credit cards, installment loans, and retail accounts, can help your score. However, don't open new accounts just for the sake of diversity. Focus on responsibly managing the types of credit you already have. A realistic budget is essential for managing your finances and rebuilding credit. Track your income and expenses, prioritize debt payments, and look for areas to cut back. Sticking to a budget helps you avoid overspending and ensures you have enough to pay your bills on time. Unexpected expenses can derail your progress. Start building an emergency fund, even if you can only save a small amount each month. Having a financial cushion helps you avoid relying on credit cards or loans when surprises arise, keeping your credit on track. If you're overwhelmed, consider working with a credit counselor or financial advisor. These professionals can help you create a personalized plan, negotiate with creditors, and provide guidance on rebuilding your credit. Make sure to choose a reputable, nonprofit organization. Credit utilization is the ratio of your credit card balances to your credit limits. Keeping this ratio low, ideally below 30%, shows lenders you're not overextending yourself. Paying down balances and increasing your limits without new debt can improve this ratio and boost your score. Payday loans may seem like a quick fix, but they often come with extremely high interest rates and fees. Relying on these loans can trap you in a cycle of debt and make it harder to rebuild your credit. Look for safer alternatives, such as credit builder loans or borrowing from family. Identity theft can damage your credit without you even knowing. Protect yourself by monitoring your accounts, using strong passwords, and being cautious with personal information. If you suspect fraud, report it immediately to the credit bureaus and your financial institutions. Rebuilding credit doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. Celebrate small victories along the way and don't get discouraged by setbacks. With persistence, your credit will improve, opening up new financial opportunities. Set milestones and track your progress as you work to rebuild your credit. Use a spreadsheet, app, or journal to record your payments, balances, and score changes. Tracking helps you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Knowledge is power when it comes to credit. Take time to learn about how credit works, what affects your score, and the best practices for managing debt. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions and avoid future setbacks. Co-signing a loan for someone else can put your credit at risk if they miss payments or default. While you may want to help, it's important to protect your own credit during the rebuilding process. Politely decline co-signing requests until your credit is strong again. If you receive a tax refund, bonus, or other financial windfall, consider using it to pay down debt or build your emergency fund. Applying extra money to your financial goals can accelerate your credit recovery and provide peace of mind. If you're facing financial difficulties, don't hesitate to communicate with your lenders. Many are willing to work with you to adjust payment terms or offer hardship programs. Open communication can prevent missed payments and protect your credit score. Automation can help you stay on top of your bills and avoid late payments. Set up automatic transfers for loan payments, credit cards, and savings. This reduces the risk of forgetting a payment and helps you build a reliable financial routine. Make it a habit to review your credit and financial progress every month. Look at your credit score, account balances, and payment history. Regular reviews help you catch issues early and adjust your strategy as needed. Organization is key to rebuilding credit. Keep all your financial documents, payment schedules, and correspondence in one place. Use folders, apps, or spreadsheets to stay on top of your finances and avoid missing important deadlines. Every financial setback is an opportunity to learn. Reflect on what caused your credit issues and what you can do differently in the future. Use these lessons to build better habits and avoid repeating mistakes. Rebuilding credit is a journey, and every step forward counts. Celebrate small achievements, like paying off a credit card or reaching a savings goal. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and focused on your long-term goals. Be wary of companies promising to fix your credit overnight for a fee. Many of these are scams that can leave you worse off. The best way to rebuild credit is through consistent, responsible financial behavior over time. You have rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act and other laws. These rights protect you from unfair practices and give you the ability to dispute errors on your credit report. Familiarize yourself with your rights so you can advocate for yourself during the rebuilding process. There are many apps and online tools that can help you manage your finances, track your credit, and set reminders. Take advantage of technology to stay organized and make the credit rebuilding process easier and more efficient. Overdrafts can lead to fees and negative marks on your credit if left unpaid. Monitor your accounts closely and set up alerts to avoid spending more than you have. Responsible account management is crucial for rebuilding credit. As your credit improves, start planning for future financial goals, such as buying a home or car. Good credit opens doors to better opportunities and lower interest rates. Set clear goals and continue practicing good financial habits to maintain your progress. Share what you've learned about rebuilding credit with friends and family. Helping others avoid mistakes and build good habits can strengthen your own understanding and create a supportive community focused on financial wellness. Rebuilding credit can be challenging, but staying motivated is key. Remind yourself of your goals and the benefits of good credit. Surround yourself with positive influences and keep your focus on the progress you're making. As you rebuild your credit, review your plan regularly and make adjustments as needed. Life changes, and so do financial circumstances. Being flexible and proactive will help you stay on track and continue making progress. Let's recap the most important steps for rebuilding your credit after a setback. Check your credit report, dispute errors, pay bills on time, reduce balances, avoid new debt, and monitor your progress. With patience and persistence, you can bounce back stronger than before. Rebuilding your credit after a financial setback is a journey, but it's one you can absolutely succeed at. Stay focused, use the strategies we've discussed, and remember that every positive step counts. Your financial future is in your hands, and with determination, you'll achieve your goals.